Tired of your money disappearing and not knowing where it went? What if I told you that in just 10 minutes, you can take back control? Let's make a budget right now. First, grab a piece of paper or open a notes app. On one side, write down all your income for the month, your salary, any side hustles, everything. On the other side, list your fixed expenses, rent, utilities, subscriptions. Now, for the tricky part, your variable spending. Look at your bank statement from last month and categorize your spending on things like groceries, gas, and entertainment. Add it all up. Is there a gap? That's where you can make changes. Maybe eat out one less time a week, or cancel a subscription you don't use. A budget isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. It's a plan for your money so you can achieve your goals. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more simple finance tips.